legs out. It won the Guinness World Record, but another one has
Even if you're with them for a long time, you keep getting these whiffs.
The hope is that all this information will help in some way to figure out where the next pandemic might break out.
In his nursery, or is he in nursery?
He's at childminder. I think this week, meant to be
Oh,
coming
okay.
out this week.
Oh, we haven't heard back.
Yeah.
In his nursery, or
Yeah,
is he in nursery?
And in theory, they are the same species. Often, collectors kept notes of where the bats were collected, like whether it was in caves or forests or close to human settlements. And so that ecological information is also quite important in order to figure out how these animals live, where they live, how they live. So this is all very valuable information that we could do with, especially way before this, but especially now. That type of stuff, because I think he's going to be doing some, I think, environmental a few thousand years ago. But when the orcs were present, they were supposed to be sort of shaping the ecosystem by involved in the reintroduction or rewilding with, there's no introductions, rewilding with that type of stuff. Because I think he's going to be doing some, I think, environmental DNA. And so they want to see whether that creates benefits. No?
They will have information related to specimens not just collected now, but many years in the past. And this way we can also use this data to model projections in the future and see how species are going to be affected by what we are doing in the environment.
Certain viruses detected in bat populations have come close to be 96% similar to the COVID. And so there is a high chance that it is the bats that carry the virus, and then it sort of trickle down or transfer to other species.
I don't like beetles.
No, are they in DC2?
We can say, okay, bats potentially transmit this disease, but what are the species? Do all the bats transmit those diseases or not? So I think we need to still do a lot of groundwork in terms of understanding how diverse this group of animals is.
It's a case what someone else has done rather than go and check it. Yeah.
The sort of like thing that comes to mind is that a lot of people, especially in science, when they come here, is to work on the science.